and he was like, Mally looks so good in her shirt. And I said, she designed that shirt. I forget which one you had on Friday night. Did you wash it or did you wear it again?
It was a different color. It was pink.
Well, apparently my husband likes the shirt of Mally.
Steve. Thank you.
There you go. Why are your hands so cold?
Because it's cold in here. And I have my menopause top on and I'm cold. Anyway.
Well, girl, this is crazy. I mean, if we can't wait to see the 10-piece eyeliner kit. I can't wait to show you this.
Look at that.
There is a foundation in this kit, and my sale price is $39. There is a primer, there is a shadow stick, an eyeliner, and Mally's famous, she uses it on her celebs client, Face Defender. All of this for under $39. First day presented. Mally, we do need to pick our color in the foundation, so we should probably put up a shade chart first.
Yes, please. Okay, so guys, I can't even run, don't walk. Please promise me, if you love this kit, get many, stock up. That's all I want to say. Fair is the fairest of the fair. You know who you are. Light is a little more warm to your skin. Beige is your perfect light medium. Medium are your warm sands and beiges. Tan is the one I wear every single day. Rich used to be our deepest shade, and now we have the deep. If you can, and I just want to say this through the whole show, everything that you love, just please stock up. Trust me when I tell you, the prices are amazing, and they are all very hard to get, so get them when you can.
I mean, it's crazy. It's not even $10 an item.
I know.
You get 5 for $40.
I don't even know where to start. What do you think we should do? Should we just go through the order? Do you want to
We'll quickly talk about the primer.
Okay.
But I want to hear about the foundation personally.
All right, so the primer. The thing that's different, we just saw the beautiful Tatcha primer, but that's crystal clear. Okay.
Yours has color.
Just so you know, this has a little bit of color to it. So I'm running out of skin over here, but I want to show you right here. This is the medium, so you'll get the, there we go.
I know, I put way too much on.
No, it's beautiful. It's great. So again, yes, this is a lot, but it does show you how it does actually neutralize color in your skin.
So blue veins are already being neutralized on my hand, I see.
Exactly, as you can see. So depending on which color you get for your foundation, you'll get the perfect neutralizing primer. Okay, so again, you can use that on your days off, or even if you are using all of your beautiful Tatcha moisturizers, that's gonna cut the color and give you just a beautiful, soft, easy way to go.
But I am so intrigued. I mean,
yes.
foundations alone cost $40. You're getting the whole kit for $40.
Exactly.
What is a Plush Pen Foundation?
Okay, so first and foremost, you'll see the delivery system.
Yes.
This beautiful, beautiful velveteen.
That's your brush.
Isn't that gorgeous? That's your brush. So literally, all you have to do is go click, click. You're only going to use a little goes a long way. You twist it like so. And then you take it. You can either bingo tap it all over your face. We are over 50 and fabulous, honey. You might be, you might know what bingo is.
Bingo.
I love it. Thank you. You can tap it all over your face. We can go over to Mary if you want. Let's go play.
Camera or us?
All of us. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
So we're going to go play over here with Mare so she can see. And or you can take it, you can put your brush on top. But for us, it really is, honestly, look at this. Literally just putting the product on. It gets it on. It's beautiful. It's hydrating. It's moisturizing. There's nothing worse for me, guys, than using your beautiful Tatcha skincare and then putting on a foundation that is dry or thick or heavy or cakey. Look at that coverage you're getting.
So pretty. I mean, the redness that was in your cheeks, completely gone. Discoloration, gone. Now you have this even skin tone. But I swear, I mean, I'm only 45, but Mally makes me feel like I'm 30 when I put my Mally face on. Mary, does she do the same for you?
I don't feel like I'm 30. I'll take 50.
She'll take 50, and she feels like she's 50 tonight.
I'm just taking this to show you. I know it's crazy, but again, I want to be near our girl because we have so much stuff. And
you're getting everything Mally's playing with. So that was quickly the foundation, but our favorite. Jennifer, do you ever use Face Defender? Oh, here, come on out.
She's got eyeliner.
Jennifer's going to show us the eye.
They told me to be here.
What color is the eyeliner?
Okay, so it's an onyx eyeliner. This is, okay, girl.
Sorry, I'm
look
just
how
it up
easy.
Anyway.
Right?
I'm sorry, Mary.
Waterproof. Top lash
Am I doing
line.
it? Am I doing it right?
You're doing it right. Girl, she knows. Top lash line, bottom lash line, inner rim of the eyes. Look how it goes on. It glides like butter. There's also a shadow stick, which you know we always call a tattoo and a stick. And then, of course, your face. Look at her. You better work, Miss Thing. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Once a model, always a model.
I know.
Okay.
I moved
that
too
is
much.
so
There
pretty.
you
You didn't do
go.
too much.
Well,
I
and,
love it.
You know, we have hooded eyes, obviously,
Yes, we do.
because we have flat
We
lids.
do.
This doesn't move. This doesn't travel. And then, last but certainly not least, should we have
Are
a
you
little
coming to
face
me or
defender?
Mary? 'Cause
Oh,
I know she's
I'm
coming
going
to
to
me.
you.
All right, so
because
for those
you
who don't know, I have a really oily face.
Yes.
And if I was to hit my face right now with a thick powder, you would also see every line and every wrinkle I have. So I'm gonna let the camera come in close, Mally.
Yeah, come on
so
in.
See, do you see?
Okay,
That's
yep.
all my oil right there.
That is it. Again, she's been on the air. She's got beautiful oily skin. That's what I like to
Thank
say.
you.
Why?
love
Because
that.
again, that's why it keeps your skin looking youthful, because you have that. But look at the forehead.
Whoa.
Look at that.
But if that
Look
was a
how
powder,
smooth.
you would
yeah.
also see all the crepey skin.
You got it. So what you're gonna do with your face defender, guys, is you're gonna pat, pat, and tap, tap. You're not gonna scoop. You're not gonna swipe. But look at how underneath. Our eye, look at that.
Look at the
Amy.
difference. That side
Yes.
still shiny and oily. This side beautiful.
Yeah, and you know, and I got to tell you, with this kit, we need literally a 10-minute sell. We don't have it.
We don't.
But again,
I hear
trust
the
me when
music.
I tell you, right? The price is insane. I know I never say that. And if you love our stuff, please, today's the day.
Jill's got everything on. So
Yeah.
that is the foundation.
good.
She
Yep.
topped it off with the face defender. She has on the eyeliner. She has on the shadow stick. And she primed her skin first. Where do you go? And for $39, get a whole kit of makeup, including foundation.
Including foundation. And again, you can also use that foundation as your concealer. You can use it all over your face. It is truly a game changer.
Okay, and here's the choices again, Mally. Will you walk us through that?
Yes, of course. You've got your fair, fairest to the fair. You know who you are. Light is a little more warm to your skin. Beige is your perfect light medium. That's what Mary had on. A medium, that would be normally you, Miss Amy. Amy,
Yes.
your heels are high. You better work. I'm in the tan. Rich used to be our deepest shade, but now we have the deep. And again, for this whole show, I really encourage you to stock up if you love Mally Beauty, because this is a very special show.
I agree. Mally,
Yes.
the hand.